Hi everyone, I'm Raw Chef Yin, and today we're gonna make vegan bulgogi. Sometimes it's hard to find vegan Korean food in Malaysia, so don't worry, I've got you covered. So we're gonna make mushroom vegan bulgogi, and these are the ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna grate the pear first. This is the Asian pear. Okay, I think this is good enough. We'll transfer the grated pears into the bowl. And then we'll continue with the sauce. We'll add in coconut nectar, soy sauce, the sesame oil, the shallots, the garlic. Let's mix up the sauce. And then we'll add in the mushrooms. So let's stir this up and mix well so that we can ensure that the mushrooms are coated with the sauce. What I'm going to do now is transfer the mushrooms to the serving plate. Alright, and then now we're going to garnish. Put on some white sesame seeds, some black sesame seeds, some black pepper, that's our chilli, some spring onions. There you go! Vegan mushroom bulgogi. Let's try it. It's definitely yum yum yum. So if you like this video, remember to click like and subscribe to our channel and smash that notification bell so you'll be the first to get updates from all of us. So remember to leave your comments below and let me know what you want me to make next.